Welcome to the 3-Minute Leadership and Management Series, where you will be introduced to a breadth of effective leadership and people management skills that have worked well for me and others I have taught over the years. This series covers ways to address various scenarios as a leader and manager. It will enhance your skill set, and I'll introduce tricks of the trade. But I can assure you, there will be no Jedi mind tricks.
The Force is with you, young.
Today we'll build teams through recognition.
But you are not a Jedi yet.
Have you worked with someone who, behind a person's back, would say bad things about that person? Does it make you wonder what that person may say about you when you're not around? That can be really disheartening if that person was your manager. I have seen managers do this, and it fosters team doubt. Find the positive in people, convey that message, and avoid unhelpful negative comments. This is an excellent way to build individual and team trust. Being in the trenches day after day takes its toll on everyone. Encourage your team to take breaks and celebrate small victories. When the team hits a scheduled milestone, have a small celebration. When the team hits a critical goal, have a bigger celebration. When someone has a birthday, have a celebration. These breaks are welcomed, and understand not everyone will attend, but they have the choice. Differentiate yourself from other managers and recognize the hard work of your team and celebrate. Here's another fun and brief story about a celebration I did for my team. They and others talked about it for years. My manager gave all his managers a small bucket of money to do what they wanted for their team. I called a department meeting close to lunchtime, gave a 5-minute talk, then had everyone follow me out of the building. Waiting outside was a stretch limousine. The team piled in, we went to lunch, and had a great bonding time. What would you do for your team? When things get challenging, cheering on the sideline may not be the best solution. Rolling up your sleeves to help may be the answer. You may find yourself helping to paint, moving things. Who knows? Maybe taking over the project management role. If your team sees you are ready and willing to work as hard as they are, they will appreciate that you are in the thick of it with them. I watched managers push and drive employees to the breaking point while being very hands-off. During and after the project, those managers lost valuable employees. I took a different approach and jumped in to help. I did whatever I could to keep projects moving, worked within my limits, and showed my hands-on commitment to the team. That's building trust. Today, we talked about several ways to help your team through recognition. Be mindful of what you say. As a people manager, your words are powerful. Positive words and thoughts will get your team through very tough times. Even small recognitions are helpful. Some managers don't take the time to celebrate milestones, and that impacts employees' perception of how much managers care about them and what they're doing. Make time for celebrations. Be ready to get dirty. It really impacts the team when they know their manager is 100% committed. Show them you will help in any way you can to get the job done. It will go a long way to build team trust. It is my sincere hope that you enjoyed this video. We have many more fun topics to cover in both leadership and management, and here are just a few. We will cover skills you can learn and go over real-life scenarios I encountered over the years in hopes you can use these stories to overcome similar challenges. If you enjoyed this video, please like and click the subscribe button below so you can be informed when new videos are released. And feel free to leave comments on subjects you would like to hear more about in the future. Take care, and may the Force be with you.
Don't underestimate the Force.